Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how much of stuff can be fitted in the trunk of Toyota Sienna. So this is basically a seven-seater car, and um, I have closed the seats in the back, and this is the trunk space. So as you can see here, this is a queen mattress that has been expanded, so that has already come. And if you see here, these are and uh, and also the locks which are inside this bed sheet, these are all the queen bed. So the queen mattress and the queen bed has come in this Toyota Sienna. Apart from that, I have a mat, a lot of clothes in bags, and then there is this carry-on luggage, and this is a stroller, and here is a dolly. So this is a dolly that can climb the stairs, so it has a three-wheel mechanism. And I have also put a lot of stuff in the front. So as you can see, this is a lot of kitchen utensils, and also here I have placed for protection a pillow, and then there are a lot of clothes over here. Then in this portion of space, I can put multiple college bags, about 4 college bags over here with documentation, and here is a baby bag, this is a car seat. So this is all the space that you have if there is a driver and a passenger sitting in the front and a baby sitting in the back with a car seat. Then this is the amount of stuff that you can put into the trunk of Toyota Sienna. Apart from this, if you are adventurous, and if no one is sitting in the back row, and if there is no child, then you can fill this complete space as well. But I want to keep it very secure. I don't want anything falling over the child, so I'm keeping this place as it is.